What's up guys, it's your girl Emma K back with another video. I'm going to be trying to do a half up, half down hairstyle with this kind of hair. It's only 10 inches. Yes, I'm so mad. I wanted longer hair. If you're bougie, this video is not for you. This is for my people who want to be bougie on a budget. Yes, bougie on a budget. I've never used these things before, so I don't know. But let's get to the video. Okay, so let's take this out. Probably asking, why do you want to do a half up, half down, and your hair is already long? I want a different color, so I don't want to color my hair. My hair was damaged once from me dyeing my hair, so I'm not going to do that again. I'm just going to go the weaves way, okay? So I'm going to part in the middle of my hair. Yeah, part. This is a trick I learned to get half up, half down. So you part the middle of your hair, then at the end here you do this. Twist the hair. So you basically do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so at the back, I'm going to braid the hair downwards, and each time I do a braid, I'm going to connect one braid to the other. This is how the hair came out. Now I'm going to sew the hair in place so that I can sew the bundles over the hair. When you're starting to sew the hair down, you want to do a double knot stitch. Same thing goes for when the hair comes to an end. In between, you can then sew the hair regular. At this part, I flip the hair. I never cut it. So each time you flip the hair, do the double knot stitch so the hair won't flare up. I was trying to cover up the tracks, but my hair was just covering all the color. So I decided to put those pieces back up in one and use the ponytail to cover up the track instead. But first, I had to flat iron the front part of my hair. As you can tell earlier, I was trying to put in baby hairs, but I was like, never mind, because I was so heated at the fact that the hair wasn't cooperating. Now I'm going to sew the bundles onto the ponytail. All you have to do is wrap and stitch, wrap and stitch. I didn't get that part. The camera got cut off. I was just hair curling it and whatnot, trying to make it look better. So I'm all done. Tell me what you guys think of the hairstyle. Is it a yay or a nay? So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.